Hey guys, welcome. My name is Mackenzie. I've got a 72 Monte Carlo. This is a factory color scheme, flame orange over a saddle interior, packing a big block under the hood, turbo 400, 12 bolt out back, and it is all original running gear. You know, numbers matching engine, trans, and the rear end is date coded to this car. I want to bring you guys across the front end of this car. From what I could tell, this has been a very nice restoration, and they utilize as many of the original components as they probably could have. So, you know, headlights and bucket surround look great. The chrome looks great. A little bit of wear on our running light there, or let's add an indicator. I'm sorry. Right in here, this has got to be the original grille. It's in really nice shape. It is not cracked to pieces, but there's just a little bit of oxidation on some of these flat spots where water might have sat. Doesn't make the car any less good. Looks great. Our hood release just up under the bumper, and all that candy up under here. Gorgeous big block. You notice this one is equipped with a dual master, so we got power brakes. We've got air conditioning. Just below that we have power steering. This is a California car, so it has some of the smog equipment over here on the left-hand side. Very clean. You notice our original vacuum pump downstairs. It's a sharp car. Now we got sun coming in here, so everything probably looks a little bit different in the light, but it is very clean. There's no signs of this thing ever being hit. Frame horns are very straight. Inner fenders, fender wells, everything looks really sharp. Close that up for you. Just as it should. This color does it for me, very sharp. Wheel arch moldings look great. The wheel and tire combo is quite dashing. These are a newer set of BF Goodrich radial TAs, and we are sporting a 225 70R15 up front. Down the side of the car we have good gaps, very nice paint, lovely chrome. The glass is in very nice shape, and it looks to be dated correct over here on this side of things. Now here at the rear end of the car, very cool to see the original dealer tag on there, modern Chevrolet. Taillight lenses look very good. This piece of trim here, this bit of molding, there's just a little bit of age showing. They call that authentic wear and tear, but still in good shape. Bumpers look good. Exhaust looks very nice. Ooh la la. Underside of the deck lid is the same paint job as the exterior. Looks like all factory metal from what we've been able to tell. Now they've taken this one step further from the little mat you'd throw in here, and they've had it all trimmed out and carpeted, even the inner sides of those rear quarters. And then if you peek from my angle, you can see we have the jack to go with our full-size spare here. Seals up good. Rubbing is racing after all. We do have a little bump there, not noticeable from more than a couple of feet away. We haven't touched on the top yet. It is in very good shape. There's no bubbling anywhere. It's incredibly tight. Testament to how the car was redone and how it's been cared for since. The package tray looks to be in really nice shape too, and you see we got 2 speakers out here. Right on. And as we come down the rest of the passenger side, it is in a similar condition to the driver there, I suppose. Very good fitment, no major blemishes. All the bright and beauty work is there for us. It's a straight car. Ooh-wee, ooh-wee. So no shortage of the saddle finish in here. Door cards look very nice. Our bench seat inside of here, there's no excessive wear, no tears. Very nice, we like to see that. The steering column Has a nice crack-free steering wheel fixed to it. The wood inlay here with our Monte Carlo looks fabulous. No cracking anywhere to speak of. One thing these Montes got all hyped up on was these finer finishes, like the wood inlay. This car boasts a speedo going all the way up to 120 miles an hour, and it just shows 84,000 miles on the clock. We got a couple warning lights. We have a analog clock over here in the center, and we have an aftermarket head unit in here. It's right at home. It has a AM, FM, and cassette, which is cool. And then just in the middle, once more, we have our factory AC controls and our heater controls as well. To tell you a little bit about the dash pad, there is no cracks anywhere. I think it's very level and even. It's not all bowed up or anything of that sort. Got seat belts up here. Got a nice little glove compartment there with the owner's manual. And then, man, fun sucker. All right, so now in the back seat here, you're finding the same thing you do up front. No excessive wear, no stitching, pulling, cigarette burns, anything of that nature. Our rear door cards look great. I do see a tear up here in the headliner. Aside from that, it is very taut everywhere else. Our dome light is working. Trim around the rear glass looks good. This is a stout car. Making a left-hand turn. Our indicators coming on the dash there. Take that. Does it turn off on its own? It sure does. Got a stereo here. That is working. I'm sure you could dial that in a hair better. There's a little static there. Power steering like a dream. Let's see how them power brakes do us. No problems at all. Come to a stop nicely. And we'll give it a little gusto here. Big Black is drinking. All right, hands off the wheel. Alignment seems to be good. We hit the brakes. Steering wheel not turning. Alignment is on point. Brakes are grabbing evenly. This is a good car here. Got a right-hand indicator lighting up. And she clicks off. Woo! This is smooth. All through our slalom course. And does it reverse? Hey guys, thank you for checking out. We appreciate the interest, and just a couple things to share. If you want to know anything more about this car, have any particular questions, hit us up in the comments or dial us up. It's 248-714-2110. We'd be happy to answer all your questions, throw up additional pictures, you name it. And last but not least, we are right here in Milford, Michigan. Send your inspectors. You can come here personally. We welcome all, and thank you again. Good luck bidding.